High Fashion High is a fashion show created of a ton of teenage designers. We have teenage photographers and models, and we're putting together a fashion show just to show that teenagers in the Pacific Northwest are capable of creating really high fashion. I got into fashion when I was like 7 years old. I found my mom's sewing machine in her room and I pulled it out. I started making like small garments, and then as I got better and I sort of taught myself through YouTube, I was able to go to Parsons, Paris over the summer in my sophomore year, and I learned a lot more about the design process and sort of how fashion design can be seen as art. The goal for High Fashion High with Bumbershoot is to create an amazing show that will shock the audience. Say teenagers did this, I hope that when someone mentions fashion design in Seattle, they can think of this fashion show at Bumbershoot and know that there's somewhere that they could show their work, be it a student or an emerging designer, and know that Bumbershoot is there to support. Hi, I'm Ellie Fine with High Fashion High, and we are coming to Bumbershoot.